Alright, let's look at the if function. The if function runs a logical test against user-defined input and comparison values, and evaluates the result as either true or false. To understand this concept better, let's look at some sample data for a company called Lookalikes Incorporated. Here we have a complete list of employees with their corresponding start dates in column B, and a calculated value showing their years of service in column C. In this example, we're looking to understand which employees have been with Lookalikes Incorporated for more than 5 years. We can quickly determine this by using the if statement. To start, let's select cell D3 and begin typing the if formula. Once we have the open bracket typed, you will see a prompt for the 3 arguments that the if formula accepts. The first argument is the user-defined input and comparison values. Here, the input value would be the years of service, or, in this case, the value in cell C3. So let's click on that cell to reference it. Since we're looking to determine if the employee has been around for more than 5 years, we'll type the greater than symbol, followed by the number 5. This tells Excel to evaluate and determine if the value in cell C3 is greater than 5. Regardless of whether this evaluates the true or false, we need to tell Excel what to output in each case. If it evaluates the true, let's say we want to see the word yes. And if it evaluates the false, let's say we want to see the word no. If you were entering outputs as numbers instead of text, you wouldn't need to include the quotations that you see here. Once we include the close bracket and hit enter, you will see that this evaluates as true, and therefore we see the word yes. And since we're working in an Excel table, you can see that all the rows below automatically populate with the same formula.